Hello everyone, welcome to Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. My Hobby Lobby is finally marking down all the Tim Holtz items, so I was able to grab a few items. Now, I missed out on some of the ink pads, but that's okay. I picked up these Distress Oxide. The regular price was $9.49 and I paid $2.37. So I picked up this one. This one is like the Catch Flamingo Spice Marmalade Fossilized Amber. And then I got this one too. This is Speckled Eggs, Seedless Preserve, and I'm not sure what the other one is. Hold on. And this one is Rustic Wilderness. See, and then I got the Antique Linen, Gathered Twigs, Hickory Smoke. This one is Distress Mica Spray. This was $11.99. It was marked down to $2.37. So we have the Antique Bronze, Tarnished Brass. It's Brush Pewter. Okay. These were the only ones I was able to pick up in the spray bottle, so I'm quite happy I got those. And then I picked up, let's see, this is the Alloy. It looks like I only got one package of the Alloy, which is Sterling and Rose. And this was $2.37 also. The regular price is $9.49. I was able to pick up one of the mixatives, and then this was also on sale for $2.37. And this, I got it in the gold and the silver. I was able to pick up one of these Distress Foundry. Let me see what this says on the back. Foundry Wax. And then these were regular price at $9.49. It was on sale for $2.37. And I picked it up in the Gilded and Mined. And then there's this one. This is Alcohol Ink and Mixative Multi-Surface Inks. $2.37 on sale price. It's Pitched and Snow Cap. And then I was able to pick up this here. These are alcohol inks in Indigo, Mermaid, Teak Wood. These were on sale for $2.74, regular price at $10.99. And then this one has Flamingo, Patina, and Amethyst. So I picked up two of those. I did pick up some of the Distress ink. See, I picked up 4 packages. And let's see, this one is, it was on sale for $2.74. Regular price was $10.99. Salvage Patina, Prize Ribbon, Villainous Potion, Saltwater Taffy, Pick Raspberry, Abandoned Coral, Candied Apple, Aged Mahogany, and Weathered Wood, Chipped Sapphire, Salty Ocean, Wilted Violet, Twisted Citron, Peeled Paint, Cracked Pistachio, and Peacock Feathers. So I'm glad I got all these Distress inks. I've been collecting my inks. I've been wanting to work with them, so I'm glad that I got 16 new colors to work with. And then I picked up 2 Distress Oxide inks, or Distress Oxide. These were $5.99. Oh no, hold on. This was $5.99. It was $1.49. This is the prize ribbon. And then the speckled eggs was $6.99. It was on sale for $1.49. I also picked up one of these gauge dials. It was $4.49. It was on sale for $1.12. Let me open this. I want to see them. I mean, look, the picture's on the back, but we don't want to see that. So look. So I'm not sure how to work with these dials, but I'm going to learn. Look at this. So this is like a gauge of whatever contraption you can find. Look at this. And then these are like 1 inch and 3/4 inch. Yeah, 1 3/4 inch across. Look at this. I mean, it's a good collection of colors and gauges, right? See all that? So, yeah, that's a good collection. Let's see, you get 39 pieces in the package. I figured that's all I needed. I didn't need any more, so I only picked up the one package. The last item I picked up are these Ranger archival inks. I picked it up in the Orange Blossom, Sunflower, Night Sky, English Ivy. These were all $6.99 regular price, and they were on sale for $1.74. So I have a new collection of like Tim Holtz stuff that I can add to my supply box. Some of these are repurchases, but that's fine. I mean, I'm going to use all the new stuff. I'm glad I was able to find this foundry wax. I've been wanting to work with these for a while now. So, I mean, I'm halfway there to collecting the whole collection, right? So I have the gilded on mine now, so which is good. I like that. I'm looking forward to see what else my Hobby Lobby is going to mark down. But, you know, I'm wondering, with all this Tim Holtz stuff that they're putting on sale, I wonder if they're going to bring out new products or if they're getting rid of it. Because you have noticed that some of the Michaels stores are no longer carrying the Tim Holtz products. So I'm wondering if Hobby Lobby is headed in that direction. I don't know. Maybe you guys know some sort of information out there that you can share with me. That'll be great, right? But look at this. I do like these. Quite happy with my new inventory. Thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.